What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now, and today we're making something special for you. What are we making?
So one of the last vacations I was able to go on was to Mexico, and we went to this really kind of cool like Asian fusion Mexican restaurant, and this is a little bit of inspiration from that trip. So we're doing a Tuna Wonton tostada. So we're gonna mix up a little bit of Togarashi spices, some avocado, some fresh rare seared tuna, some sesame seeds. And yeah, we're gonna play
a crispy wonton, you know? It's gonna be delicious. Let's get into this recipe. We're gonna start by making our Togarashi inspired seasoning. Start with a couple pieces of Nori. Throw that in a mortar and pestle and just break it down a little bit. Half teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of toasted Schezwan peppercorns, a teaspoon of toasted black and white sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of poppy seed, a little citrus zest.
I thought it was supposed to be an orange.
Half teaspoon of cayenne. How would they know? 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And I got a half a teaspoon of passion. If you really want to know what passion is, you gotta look in the description. Time to mix it up. About a half a teaspoon of salt. Our Togarashi's done. We're gonna set it to the side until we're ready to use it for our tuna.
I sweated down about an ounce of shallot and a half ounce of ginger for our Ponzu Glaze. Add Mirin. Ponzu. Soy Sauce. Teriyaki.
Ooh, yeah.
Sesame Oil. Fish sauce.
Do the same one every single time you use it.
Hoison. Honey. And add 1 Thai chili. We're gonna reduce this down from medium heat until it coats the back of a spoon.
Next up, I'm gonna make our wasabi sour cream for the top of our Tuna Wonton Toastadas. I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon of wasabi. To that, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/2 of a lime, juiced, pinch of salt, cracked black pepper, and give it a little mixy-poo. Our wasabi sour cream is done. I'm going to set it to the side till we're ready to use it.
We have our oil heated at 325. Time to fry some wontons. Give it a little shake. Give it a little, you know, like go to the strip club, you know, just throwing some shit down. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, you throw 2 on her. Take these guys out and season them with salt.
I have black and white sesame seeds here. I'm just going to coat our tuna completely in them. And then we're going to give it a nice hard sear in the pan and cook our tuna to a nice rare. Pan's super hot here. Just put some oil in it. Sear the tuna. Gonna sear each side for about 10 seconds, then we're gonna take it off. Our tuna's done. I'm gonna take it over to our cutting board to rest, and we'll begin to slice it up and assembling our wontons.
Alright, we're gonna slice up our tuna.
Next up, we got the avocado. I'm gonna run my knife around the pit, give it a twist. I'm gonna smack and twist the pit out. Gonna give the avocado a nice thin slice now. Avocado!
Time to assemble up these wontons.
There we go. Tuna Wonton Tostadas.
And now I'm white. There we go.
Time to eat.
Let's make it a little messy.
Probably very messy. Oh no!
You want to get a little bit of lime on there, man? That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Buttery fish. Togarashi's lensing it up. Wow.
I'm a mess.
Bringing back to Mexico.
You gotta finish this one.
The fusion way. Alright guys, well, thanks so much for letting us do another video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and give us some shouts, man. Let us know what you guys want us to cook up next, alright? Have a good one. Peace.